How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Ferris Technology. Do you have a Kia key that looks just like this one with these buttons and this back piece on it? Well, then this video is for you on how to change the internal battery on this. You're not going to need any other additional tools, so let's get started here. First thing you're going to do is press this little button right here, and then you press that, and that will just slide out this key fob right there. And then if we look inside of here, you can see that there's a bigger hole where your key goes into and a smaller hole which you're going to actually insert the key into that little smaller hole right here. So if you can see it right up close, that little hole right there, we're just going to put it into there, and then we're going to press firmly on it and we're going to twist. So press firmly and twist, and as you can see, the key is now coming apart very, very easily. So that's perfect. And then we're just going to grab it and just take it apart just like that. And there are these little silver pieces on the side which just rest on top of the key. So they might come out, but that's okay. You can just align them back there. And there's your battery sitting in there. So all we're going to do is actually I'm just going to push with my nail right here. We're just going to push the battery just out. It just slides out very, very easily. And then I'm just going to just grab it and just slide it right out, just like that right there. There we go. We've got the battery out. Now the positive side was the one that was facing up, so remember that. And it is a 2032 battery, so 2032. So I've got that battery right here. So I've got a brand new pack of them right here, the Energizer 2032. I'm gonna link them in the description box below if you haven't got yours yet, and you can pick one up. And I've actually got another one that I've already opened up here, so we're gonna go ahead and use this one right here. So I'm just gonna take this one out. All right, and there we go, we've got it out. And sometimes you'll get batteries like this that'll have a little plastic piece on the bottom which you have to remove, so just keep that in mind. This one does not. And we'll grab the battery right here. Now again, plus side, as you can see, is the one that's facing up. So all we're going to do is just slide in the plus side right there, press it firmly so that it's right at the end right there, and that's it. Your battery is now in. So all we're going to do is just grab our cover again right here, and we're just going to align it perfectly on here. There we go. We've got it all aligned, everything is good, and now we're just gonna press firmly on all these sides right here. So just press firmly down, there we go, no problem. And then we can just grab our key right here, and we can just insert our key right back into it, and there we go. And now we've got our key fob. You can see the light right there. You can see that it's all working, so we know that we're good to go. And that's how you change the battery on your Kia key fob. Make sure you hit that like button if you appreciate this video. Thank you for watching, bye-bye.